Hey crafty friends, Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and it is time for a flip through of the newest Close to My Heart idea book. And just looking at the cover here, I'm excited. There's some more masculine themes going on, which is something with two boys that I'm always looking for. So let's get us started. This is from April to June of 2023. Message from Jeanette Linton, our founder, talking about how you can become a maker and the VIP program. If you have any questions about either of those, let me know. I'd be happy to help. Then we have some subscription kits, one for cards and one for layouts. These layout kits are great. They help you, at least they help me, get my photos album ready very quickly. And our first paper pack is Cosette. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I happen to have it sitting here right next to me. So you can see this has all little tiny leaves on it, and on the back side are these beautiful, it almost looks like dandelions or a ragweed, I think. So those two of the papers. And then this lovely mulberry color with kind of a, I would call it an old-fashioned wallpaper or Victorian almost. Not quite as ornate as Victorian, but that feel. And look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Just, it screams to me like postcards. And here we have the postage stamps and just the old-fashioned collage books, I guess I could call them. And then let's take a look at the sticker sheet in person. So you have these wonderful flowers, the old typewriter together, some things you could use for journaling and write in your own information. I think this is awesome. I'm very excited about the paper pack and the colors. So the colors that are in this paper pack are Desert Road Paprika, Peach, Mulberry, Mist, Seabrook, Pine, Honey Butter, Toffee, White Daisy, French Vanilla, and Black. So it has both the White Daisy and the French Vanilla for that softer. I can totally see this working really well with my heritage photos that I've been going through. And then I wanted to show you here. So here are the die cuts, kind of with that newspaper print feel. And then this is the digital art. So this kind of reminds me of the In Full Bloom butterfly, and then all of the wonderful floral and fauna there. Just quick layouts you can do. It has an envelope with a lacy border. I see this being very versatile. Picture My Life cards again, just wonderful. So here are some stamps and thin cuts that go along with it. As we look through the book, keep in mind anything that has this kind of soft peach color or skin tone color, there's a thin cut that coordinates with that. So here they have a thin cut around these flowers. This is the scrapbooking workshop, so you get information and all of the components to make those 3 scrapbook layouts, as well as the sticker sheet and those die cuts that are part of the Cosette paper pack. We're going to turn the page here. This is an exclusive stamp set only in the card making workshop. And then here's some thin cuts so you can make your bows on your packages or parcels. So those are beautiful. Paper pack number 2, Hey Handsome. I don't have that paper here yet, but look at the colors of this. Harbor, rosemary, pine, paprika, mink, white daisy, and black. Rough and tumble, on the edge, going out on a journey. I love this color combination and kind of the themes that they've put with it. This to me was a favorite. These are the digital images, and I don't know of any set from Close to My Heart for cut files, whether they're on the Cricut or something with a thin cut that has those tools, and that in this house will be awesome. So here you can take a look at the papers. That striped paper looks awesome. Harbor is one of my favorite colors, so I'm kind of biased towards that. Here's a Father Day stamp and another authenticity kind of, here it is all about the boys. Here's our scrapbook workshop for the Hey Handsome. So again, these 3 double page layouts, you get everything that you need in it, including the die cuts, the sticker sheets, and all of the embellishments. They have specific that are exclusive to this set. And then for our card workshop, pocket, eyeglasses, and these have the thin cuts that go with them. And these are the cards that you make. How cool are those? Pair of jeans. I like it. Our last paper pack is Hello Darlin'. And again, this is with our red, white, and blues. If you're in America, scarlet, candy apple, sapphire, sage, and white daisy. These will be some fun embellishments, I bet. So let's take a look at that. Here are your die cuts. Again, all of those fun flowers you can layer in. Here's your pattern papers. Oh, this is a plaid. I don't know if you can see that, but it has all of those plaids there. Some stars, some stripes, some, I don't know if these are medallions kind of, and then some roses with baby's breath. Picture My Life cards, kind of fun, can add a lot. Here's your digital image set with the layered roses and flowers. Couple stamp sets that coordinate with that. This kind of reminds me of the Life's a Hoot stamp set. Here we have some more layered flowers that you can really get some depth here of color. I don't know if you can see that here in this layout where they've used these images to kind of layer in all the colors, so you don't have to be a marker aficionado. You can just layer your stamps and have a really nice effect. This is our scrapbook workshop. Again, these 3 layouts you get to do. You get all the supplies for them and instructions of how to cut your papers to get there. Turning the page, again, exclusive stamp set with the thin cuts for the stars, and these are the cards that you create for this paper pack. So the Hello Darlin' card making kit is here. And now the mix-ins. This is what I am going to be twisting for my Twisted Sister video, that we start posting videos of products from this new catalog on April 1st. Mine will come out Tuesday, April 4th, and I will be twisting these here. Looking forward to showing you what I have in mind. And then let's just look at some stamp sets. Love the butterflies. This is a layered stencil. I happen to know that. I have this one here in my possession, so I'm very excited about that one. And I'll show you that when we get there. So a lot of good words for scrapbooking, or even for some cards. You can see here how they use those in the scrapbooking process. Some cute pets for us. They used them in cards. I could totally see that on a pet page. We have our sea turtle just kind of chilling there. Our turtley awesome. Gotta like that. And then we have our bears and our hot air balloons. See the little elephant and giraffe and bunny there. Kind of some cute things if you have littles in your world. And then that's that hat stamp set I was telling you about. So I have that here. I did not get the thin cut, but they do have the thin cut that matches. And as you can see, this is an exact size of the stamp set. So if we went with All Star, it's exactly the size that you get. So you can see how it's going to look on your project. And then it gives you some ideas for artwork. I like this layout with the ombre effect with the lines back there. Our next page, we have some Always Near stamp set, kind of inspirational words, and then a Get Well or Feel Better stamp set here. Going on to graduation and numbers to celebrate birthdays. Those are always fun for on a layout. And then these 4 cards are beautiful. So this is the bouquet stamp and thin cut. So this will cut out this image here. You can see the outside from the thin cut. And then this is just a great background stamp that they've used on this card. And then they've also used kind of a tone on tone on those cards. Here's some more sentiments for probably cards. You can use them on scrapbook pages, as you've seen here. Beautiful bride with her gown on. And some more, I like the hexagons. I don't have a way to do it, but some more of those heritage feeling photos and pages, exactly what I'm doing right now. Now we're going to get into our stencil. So this was the butterfly I was telling you about. So it's a stencil, layered stencil, and then an embossing folder. So it embosses, I don't know if you can see that on there, but then you can stencil over and get all of those details. And now we'll go into the stamp of the month. So this is our sweet tweets, kind of like Twitter. Very cute little bird. There's a nice limb there that you could color in and have that for any of your projects. And then we have our little stinkers, and our last stamp of the month is just beautiful. We have one of my favorite stamps is Treasured Life, I think, that had some of this stuff. Not so much this, but these will be gorgeous on things. And then on all of our idea books, you have the Operation Smile stamp, where $7 of every purchase of that stamp goes to help Operation Smile. And if you don't have this one, I think it's a good one this year. If you're in the US and you don't already have a Ctmh maker, I would love to help you out. Here's how you can connect with me. I will also put these links in the video description below the video. There's normally a little button that you can press more and it'll have all of those links. And be sure to like this video to help me out. It doesn't cost you anything, and it just lets YouTube know that this is something other people might like to see. Hope you have a great day. Blessings.